Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to apply the Crammer's rule in here. The first thing I will put about x, that is about the number of the first class, and y, that is about the tourist. So we know that a helicopter they have 4 seats. That means the total passenger in here that should be equals to number 4. The next one, that is about the package. In the package we can see that the first class they can allow 60 kilograms in here, so we have 60 multiplied by s. The tourist, that is about 20, so we put about 20 with y. So the total of this one, that is about 120. And we just finished create the system of equations. Now on the question they want just use about the Crammer's rule in here. So the formula of this one, that should be like this. In the Cramer we have the formula in here. The first thing we need to find determinant of ds. So in this situation we need to have coefficient of this one. So the height of this one in here we need to replace by c and f. About dy, we need to have coefficient of this one, and this one we will replace by c and f gone here. So we have 8c d f. The next one, that is about d. So d, that is about this one. So if we want to find the solution of x and y, we need to use about dx divided by d and dy divided by d. Now we can apply the formula gone here. Coefficient of this one we have number 1 and number 1. So if we apply the formula in the Crammer's, so that should be like this. So in this one we have c, that is about number 4, f, that is about 120. So we put the number gone here. B, that is about number 1, E, that is about 20. Now we need to find determinant. So the formula that should be like this. So A multiplied by D minus B multiplied by C. So that means 40 multiplied by 20, we got about 80. Then minus 120, that is about negative 40. Now let's go to the next one. About dy, that is about A, we have number 1. D, that is about 60. So C, that is about number 4. F, that is about 120. So number 1 multiplied by 120. We have 120 minus number 6 with 40. That is about 240 in here. We have negative 120. And the last one, that is about 160, 20. So this one we have negative 40. So we want to find x and y. That is about this one. So the x we just calculate, that is about negative 40. We divide by negative 40. So we have number 1. And this one, negative 120. We divide by negative 40. And that is about number 3. So the final answer in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.